Yo, what's up everyone, Techno Akram here, and let's talk about ranking #1 on Google. We all know hitting that top spot is like finding the holy grail of the internet. It means you're doing something right. I'm talking about serious SEO game, and today, we're diving deep into how I cracked the code using ChatGPT. Now, ranking #1 on Google is a significant achievement and shows that you've leveraged ChatGPT's capabilities effectively. But real talk, it's not just about throwing keywords around, it's about creating high-quality, engaging content that really connects with your audience. Over the next few minutes, I'm breaking down my entire strategy, step by step, so you can level up your SEO game. If you're open to sharing, I'd love to hear more about the strategies you used, such as content optimization, keyword research, or crafting engaging meta descriptions. Or if you'd like, I can help refine your current approach to ensure consistent results in the future. What do you think? Let's get into it. Alright, first things first, keyword research. You can't just wing it and hope for the best. We need a strategy, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your super-powered brainstorming buddy, helping you uncover those hidden keyword gems that'll put you on top. We're talking about digging deep into long-tail keywords, those longer, more specific phrases people search for. This isn't just about volume, it's about finding those low-competition, high-intent keywords that'll bring in the right audience. People who are actually interested in what you're offering. And the cool thing about ChatGPT, it doesn't stop there. It can also help you tap into related queries, those little questions and searches that branch off your main keywords. It's like building out a whole keyword ecosystem that captures every angle of your niche. But here's the kicker. ChatGPT keeps you ahead of the curve by identifying trending topics. It's like having a crystal ball for what's about to blow up in your industry. By incorporating these trending keywords into your content, you're not just keeping up with the game, you're staying steps ahead. And trust me, this isn't just about stuffing keywords into your content. That's old school. We're talking about understanding search intent, figuring out what people actually want when they type those words into Google. ChatGPT helps you analyze those queries, understand the user's needs, and then create content that delivers exactly what they're looking for. It's about providing value, answering questions, and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Remember, it's not just about getting clicks, it's about getting the right clicks. Traffic that converts into loyal followers and customers. And that all starts with solid keyword research powered by ChatGPT. Okay, we've got our keywords locked in, now it's time to create some epic content. And no, I'm not talking about just churning out generic blog posts. I'm talking about crafting in-depth, engaging pieces that grab your audience's attention and keep them hooked. Think of ChatGPT as your AI writing assistant, helping you brainstorm ideas, structure your content, and even write entire paragraphs. But here's the thing, it's not about letting ChatGPT do all the work. It's about using it as a tool to enhance your own creativity and expertise. Start by feeding ChatGPT your target keywords and let it generate some initial drafts or outlines. Think of these as your creative springboard. Don't be afraid to experiment with different writing styles, tones, and formats. Maybe you want to create a comprehensive guide, a thought-provoking opinion piece, or even a fun, shareable listicle. The beauty of ChatGPT is its versatility. It can adapt to any style and tone you're going for. But remember, content isn't just about words on a page, it's about connecting with your audience on an emotional level. Inject your own personality, experiences, and insights into your writing. Share stories, ask questions, and spark conversations in the comments. And don't forget about SEO. As you're writing, make sure to naturally incorporate your target keywords throughout your content. But be careful not to overdo it. Keyword stuffing is a surefire way to get penalized by Google. Finally, keep your content fresh and up to date. The internet is constantly evolving, so your content should too. Regularly update your posts with new information, insights, and examples. And don't be afraid to repurpose your existing content into different formats like videos, infographics, or even social media posts. The more engaging and shareable your content is, the better it will perform in search results. Alright, so you've got your keywords and your content, but we're not done yet. Now it's time to optimize your website for search engines, and that's where on-page SEO comes in. Think of it like this. You've built this amazing house, but now you need to make sure people can actually find it. ChatGPT can be your on-page SEO guru, helping you craft those essential elements that Google eats up. First up, meta titles and descriptions. These are the snippets of text that appear in search results, so they're your first impression on potential visitors. Use ChatGPT to generate compelling titles and descriptions that accurately reflect your content and entice users to click. Make sure to include your target keywords naturally, but don't stuff them in there. Next, let's talk headers. These are the H1, H2, H3 tags that break up your content and make it easier to read. Not only do they improve user experience, but they also send signals to Google about the structure and hierarchy of your content. Use ChatGPT to come up with catchy, keyword-rich headers that accurately reflect the content in each section. And don't forget about image alt text. This is the text that describes your images to search engines and helps them understand what your content is all about. ChatGPT can help you write descriptive alt text that includes relevant keywords and improves your site's accessibility. And here's a pro tip: use ChatGPT to analyze your competitors' on-page SEO strategies. See what's working for them and find opportunities to differentiate yourself. Remember, on-page SEO is an ongoing process, so make sure to revisit and update your optimization regularly as you publish new content and track your rankings. Chapter 4, Content Structure, Making Your Content Scannable. Okay, so we've talked about keywords, content creation, and on-page SEO. But there's another crucial piece of the puzzle: content structure. You see, even the most well-written content can fall flat if it's not structured in a way that's easy to read and understand. Think of ChatGPT as your personal content architect, helping you organize your thoughts, create a logical flow, and make your content scannable for both users and search engines. Start by breaking down your content into clear, concise sections with descriptive subheadings. This not only makes your content easier to digest, but also helps Google understand the context of each section. And don't be afraid to use bullet points, numbered lists, and even quotes to highlight key takeaways and make your content more visually appealing. Remember, people are busy. They don't have time to wade through walls of text. Use ChatGPT to experiment with different formatting options and see what works best for your audience and content. And don't forget about white space. Adequate spacing between paragraphs, images, and other elements can make a huge difference in readability. Think of it like giving your content room to breathe. Another powerful tool in your content structuring arsenal is internal linking. This is where you link to other relevant pages on your website, which not only helps users navigate your site, but also helps distribute link equity and boost your overall SEO. Use ChatGPT to identify internal linking opportunities and create a logical flow of information throughout your website. Remember, content structure is all about creating a positive user experience. When your content is easy to read, understand, and navigate, people are more likely to stick around, engage with your content, and ultimately convert into customers. Alright, let's talk about user intent. What are people actually searching for when they type a query into Google? Understanding user intent is crucial for creating content that ranks well and satisfies your audience. Think of ChatGPT as your user intent detective, helping you uncover the motivation behind those search queries. Is it to find information, make a purchase, or simply be entertained? Once you understand the intent, you can tailor your content to deliver exactly what users are looking for. For example, if someone searches for best wireless headphones for running, they're not just looking for a list of headphones. They want a recommendation for headphones that are specifically designed for running. See the difference? ChatGPT can help you analyze keywords and identify the underlying intent, allowing you to create content that's hyper-relevant to your target audience. And here's where ChatGPT really shines: answering questions directly and comprehensively. Google loves content that provides clear, concise answers to user queries. Use ChatGPT to anticipate common questions related to your keywords, and then answer them thoroughly in your content. You can even use bullet points, numbered lists, and headings to make your answers even more scannable. And don't forget about featured snippets. These are the little boxes that appear at the top of some search results pages, providing a quick answer to the user's query. By structuring your content to answer questions directly, you increase your chances of snagging those coveted featured snippets and driving even more traffic to your site. Remember, it's not just about ranking high, it's about providing the right information at the right time to the right people. Alright, let's talk about internal linking, one of the most underrated yet powerful SEO tactics out there. Think of internal links as the bridges that connect different pages on your website, creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. But internal linking isn't just about navigation, it's also about distributing link equity, that magical SEO juice that helps boost your overall rankings. And guess what? ChatGPT can be your internal linking strategist, helping you identify relevant linking opportunities and create a solid linking structure that benefits both users and search engines. Start by using ChatGPT to analyze your existing content and identify pages that are topically related. For example, if you have a blog post about keyword research and another one about content creation, it makes sense to link those two together. But don't just link randomly. Use descriptive anchor text that gives users and search engines context about the destination page. Instead of using generic anchor text like click here or read more, use keywords or phrases that accurately describe the linked content. For example, instead of saying click here to learn more about keyword research, you could say check out our comprehensive guide to keyword research. See the difference? And here's a pro tip: use ChatGPT to identify orphaned pages on your website, those lonely pages that have no internal links pointing to them. These pages are like dead ends for both users and search engines, so it's important to integrate them into your linking structure. Remember, internal linking is an ongoing process. As you create new content and update old content, be sure to look for opportunities to add relevant internal links. Alright, let's talk about keeping your content fresh and up to date. The internet is constantly evolving, so your content should too. Regularly updating your posts with new information, insights, and examples not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to Google that your content is relevant and valuable. Think of ChatGPT as your content refresh assistant, helping you identify outdated information, generate new ideas, and even rewrite entire sections with a fresh perspective. Start by reviewing your top-performing content and see if there are any areas that need updating. Maybe there's new data available, new trends emerging, or simply new ways to explain a concept. ChatGPT can help you research these updates and incorporate them seamlessly into your existing content. And don't be afraid to make significant changes. Sometimes a complete overhaul is necessary to breathe new life into an old piece of content. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm new angles, approaches, and even headlines to make your content more engaging and relevant. But updating content isn't just about adding new information, it's also about repurposing your existing content into different formats. This is where ChatGPT can really shine. Do you have a long-form blog post that could be turned into a series of social media posts? Or maybe you have a webinar recording that could be transcribed and turned into a blog post or ebook. The possibilities are endless. Repurposing content not only saves you time and effort, but also allows you to reach a wider audience through different channels. And don't forget about promoting your updated and repurposed content. Share it on social media, send it to your email list, and reach out to other websites in your niche to see if they'd be interested in linking to it. So there you have it, my friends. That's how I use ChatGPT to dominate Google search and rank #1 for my target keywords. Remember, it's not about gaming the system, it's about creating high-quality, valuable content that people actually want to read. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. Your creativity, expertise, and unique voice are what will truly set you apart. So go out there, experiment with ChatGPT, and see what amazing content you can create. And don't forget to subscribe to Techno Akram for more insights and tips on leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT to boost your SEO and digital marketing strategies. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.